Hello people and welcome to a new tutorial of Google Ads. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create an ad copy which gets us maximum conversions. Okay, so ad copies are also called as ads and this is what it looks like. So when we go to Google and put in a search query like graphic graphic design courses in Mumbai. These are the ads that we see in front of us, right? Now this portion, this entire thing is called as an ad copy. Okay, so this entire thing is called as an ad copy. Now usually the ad copy contains or consists of h1 headline, heading 2, this green portion is called as the display URL, and this gray portion is called as the description of the ad. And the remaining things like this phone number over here and the clickable links over here and the address, these are extensions. This is an ad copy again, heading 1, heading 2, display URL, description, a few extensions, another few extensions over here and over here. Okay, so this is called as an ad copy. Your ad copy is nothing but a regular text ad combined with some extensions that is shown by Google. Now, ad copies are triggered in response to a user search query. Ad copies are very important as these act as your sales pitch. If I have a physical shop and if someone comes to my shop or my showroom, what do I communicate? How do I convince the customer for purchasing my product? The same concept applies over here. These 3, 4, 5 lines are nothing but your sales pitch, and this is what is going to decide whether someone clicks on your ad or not, right? So, in order for the user to take the first action, which is clicks, you have to make sure that you are showing him relevant ads and appealing ads. Okay, so now that we know how to create a campaign and we know how to create ad groups, we've also added keywords, right? And ad copies are a part of ad groups. Can you see this diagram, right? So an ad group consists of keywords and ad copies. Now this is how the ecosystem works. So when someone goes to Google and puts in his search query, Google tries to match the search query with the keywords that you have targeted within a particular ad group. Now, if any of these keywords closely match with the search query, so Google triggers or displays the ad associated with the same ad group as the keywords. Okay, so for example, if graphic design courses in Mumbai, this is the user search query, and if the keyword is graphic design courses, so the keyword from ad group number 1A is triggered, right? So in response, Google will show ad copy from ad group number 1A. And which one, whether Google shows ad A or ad B, that call is taken by Google. And mostly the ad which is better performing and which has a higher CTR gets the preference. Assume that someone searches for graphic designing courses or graphic designing institutes in Mumbai. If this search query matches closely with keyword from ad group number 1B, keyword from ad group number 1B, what Google will do is Google will pick up any of the ad from ad group number 1B and show it to the user. If the user searches for graphic design institutes in Mumbai with placements, suppose, and if this search query matches closely with keyword from ad group number 2A, Google picks up the ads from ad group number 2A and displays it to the individual, right? So the point I'm trying to make is, if any of the keyword is triggered from a particular ad group, the ad copies of that particular ad groups get displayed. This is how an ad group looks like. This is called as the headline number 1. This is called as headline number 2. Anything headline number 2. Anything after this separator is called as headline number 2. This thing is called as the display URL, and this portion is called as the description. This is the description. So make sure you follow these points to create compelling ads, and just follow my steps, just follow the tricks that I tell you, and you will get maximum convergence out of your ad, maximum clicks and maximum convergence out of your ads. So make sure that first of all the ad is relevant and enticing enough. Okay, you have to mention your USPs, something that makes you different from your competitors. USP means unique selling propositions. These are the points that make you different from your competitors. Okay, it has to be appealing enough, it has to be unique. You should present solution to a problem. Now suppose the user is searching for institutes in Mumbai, graphic design institutes in Mumbai with placements. Our objective is, our job is to show him an ad which mentions graphic design institutes in Mumbai with placements. Always show him relevant ads. See, he's searching for placements and he's searching for a graphic design institute. So the problem is, he's looking actively for a graphic design institute which provides placement. That is the problem. And if you are an institute which provides placements, then you are a solution provider. You are providing him a solution. But make sure that you show that you are providing the solution. Like in this example, it says Graphic Design Institute FX School top ranked by HT. Ideally, this should have been something like this: Graphic Design Institute's 100% placement assistance. The problem is placements. I'm showing him placements as a solution. That is how your ad copy should be. It should have the keyword Graphic Design Institutes in it, which they have already done, which is good, Graphic Design Institute. But it should also contain solution to the problem that he is facing, right? So make sure your ad copy is relevant and it presents solution to a problem. Okay, relevant. How do we make the ad relevant? By adding the keyword of the respective ad group in the ad copy, right? So basically your ad copy should contain the keywords within. The text of the ad should contain the keywords as well. The text of the ad should contain the keywords. I'll explain the concept again to you. Okay. Okay. Now always take the user to the most relevant landing page. So if you see an ad from Amazon which says which is selling Samsung S7, if you click on the ad, it will always take you to the most relevant landing page, which in this case is Samsung S7. You won't find an ad taking the user to a TV page or Samsung S8 page, right? So take the user to the most relevant landing page and avoid your home page as your landing page. Home page should not be a landing page. You should have a customized landing page. You should have a separate landing page relevant to the product. Usually your product specific or service specific page should be the landing page. Okay, always remember this. Avoid making your home page as your landing page. Never misguide people. If you're not providing something, don't provide false commitments. Okay, avoid false information. One more thing which captures attention, which captures clicks, is numerical values or symbols in the ad copy. So what do I mean by this? Now let me just search for graphic design institutes in Mumbai. Now if you look at this advertisement and this advertisement, you will find that the numerical value immediately grabs your attention. So numbers, they grab your attention, and having numbers helps your ad get more clicks. Having numbers helps your ad get more clicks, and more clicks will lead to a higher CTR. Okay, so try adding numbers and some special symbols in your ad copy, especially the headline 1 or headline 2. Okay, let's look at a few examples. Let us search for home loan. Sorry about the spelling. Look at these ad copies. Best home loan interest rates, lowest interest rate from 8.25%, 8.25%, 752 rupees per lakh. What else? Starting at 8.50%. Symbols, symbols, numerical value. They grab your attention, and numerical values and ad relevance lead to a higher CTR. Numerical values or symbols and relevant ads lead to a higher CTR. Also, a good practice would be to use title case in your ad copies. What do I mean by title case? The first character of the ad should be capital. So B capital, H capital, L capital, I capital, R capital. This is a very good practice. So the first character of every word should be capital letters. Okay, so that is called as title case. So let us go ahead and see how to create an ad.